Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday afternoon, December 27th. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So, pretty good day for the bears. Excellent ranges again in ES and NQ. We go out with gaps that hold to the downside. A double distribution day in ES that held in a 9-wide POC. NQ just has an afternoon rally high. They're only 8 wide. They took back their trend day, but they have a $3 sell tail. So that's something going forward to lean on. Righty ends with a double distribution day down after taking back yesterday's double distribution day up. And they end up with an afternoon rally high in K and a 9-wide POC. I'm going to go over all of these charts, break them down top down, and try to keep this one a little shorter. Still have family here, so I want to spend some time before some of them start hitting the road to go home. So I'm not going to go over all my trades, but I had a good day. Look, A, B, and C told us one thing, and that was to what? Look for shorts. The only short I missed in that time frame, in those time frames, was taking A's low. Just didn't get it. I wasn't quick enough. But between ebb and flow shorts, getting the overnight low, getting the IB low, A, B, and C were excellent. E period also did some shorts against the 144 in NQ and on pushes up inside of the single prints. And then the afternoon I waited. Now, even though we grinded up for 2 hours, I had some really good shorts in I and J looking for afternoon rally highs, and I also had a small one in K. So again, I did not take, actually I took one long today. I tried to front run the overnight low in NQ in A period. I took it right before the opening. It got it right away. Came back up, took it off. I broke it. Actually, I made a point, so I broke even on it. That was the only long I even thought of entertaining on the day. So these ranges now are big, and the balances are big. So even if you had called this up yesterday in ES, you're certainly back to balance. For me, the balance is going to be Fed days Wednesday high and Friday's low from last week. Okay? So it's a 7-day balance. Right? I want that resolved. I'm not going to call it down if we take out today's low tomorrow. On Monday. I want it resolved. You have single prints and trend days all over the place on both sides of the market. So I want either Fed day high taken out or last Friday's low taken out. And to me, the same thing in NQ. There it is. Friday's high. Wednesday's high. Friday's low. Okay? So let's get to those charts and break them down now. We'll start with Russell. Again, there's 2 days to go in the month, in the year, trading year. IWM's month is totally inside last month. They finally went up last month after, again, being in balance. If they end up with an inside month, it's going to be up to balance. If they take out last month's low in the last 2 trading days, they'll firmly be balanced. So after, again, a very nice push up to finally get an all-time high in November, December has had 0 follow-through. Weekly is down. But it's an inside week, so you can call it down to balance, right? You stopped the progression of lower lows, but you didn't stop the one-time framing yet. So they're still one-time framing down now for 4 weeks, but it's down to balance. And the daily is balance. Now, again, you can encompass all of Fed Day Wednesday, but since they didn't get into it as much as ES and NQ did, if you want, you can call a 6-day balance. Again, it's all subjective. There's no right or wrong answer. So for now, again, up to balance on the monthly, down to balance on the weekly, firmly balanced on the daily. They need more information. Triple Qs, NQ, up on the monthly. One-time framing up, 4 months. So still healthy, even though they've come off their high a bit. The weekly is balance. It's a 4-week balance with an inside week. So these inside weeks should provide something for us going into next week, along with the ranges we had again today. And the daily is balance. Again, I would encompass this as one big 7-day balance. Market needs more MGI going forward, doesn't it? And then on the S&P, one time frame and up for 4 months on the monthly. So we're healthy on the longest time frame, just like NQ. The weekly is down to balance with the inside week. And the daily is a 7-day balance. So again, 55 million. It's going to do a little bit over average, considering how much we were down today, 1%. That's not much at all, which also shows you it is strictly short-term players still running the market. Hope you had a good day trading. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll speak prior to the opening on